what is the value of frequency of a wave. Whereas the displacement equation is given as y is equal c sine 2 pi divided by lambda times at minus x. It's known that the general displacement value or expression of a wave can be written as y is equal a sine omega t minus kx. So let us change our given equation into the general form. So for that, first we have to take the 2 pi over lambda term inside of the bracket. So we can write y is equal c sine 2 pi divided by lambda times at minus 2 pi divided by lambda times n. So when we are comparing the general equation with our given equation, we can write omega is equal pi a divided by lambda. And it's known that omega is equal to pi f, which is equal to 2 pi a divided by lambda for a given equation. When we are cancelling the similar terms, we can write f is equal a divided by lambda. So the frequency of a wave will be equal to a over lambda. And the correct answer here will be option A.